Hi everyone, welcome back to Chat Explain, where we learn the market the easy way. In this video, you will learn how to open a Demat account step by step. Nowadays, opening a Demat account takes less than 10 minutes only, but one small mistake can cause future problems. So, let me show you the right way. Come to the first section. We'll understand what are the requirements, what do you need to open a Demat account. So the answer is, to open a Demat account, you just need some basic documents. First, PAN card. Second, Aadhaar card should be linked with the mobile number. Third, bank account details. Fourth, mobile number and email ID. That's it. No paperwork, no office visits. You just need those 4 documents. In this section, we will understand how to choose the right broker. You cannot open a Demat account directly. You must open it through a SEBI registered broker. I will give you some examples. Zerodha, Grow, Angel One, Upstocks. These are some SEBI registered broker, but before choosing the right broker, we need to always check the SEBI registration number and what are the charges they are charging. This is most important thing. We need to understand what are the charges and how much they are charging. And the last thing, app reviews. Choosing the wrong broker creates future headache. So we need to choose the right broker. Let us understand online account opening process step by step in this section. So first step is visit broker's application or website. Second, enter your mobile number and complete your registration by verifying with your OTP. Third step, upload your PAN and Aadhaar details. Fourth, do eKYC by video verification. Fifth, add your bank account details. That's it. Your Demat account opening process is completed. Now let's understand how Demat and trading account gets open togetherly. We already understood what is a Demat account and what is a trading account in the previous video. When you open a Demat account, you automatically get a trading account with that. Demat account which stores shares and trading account which is used to buy and sell those shares. So both Demat and trading account work together. You cannot trade without one of them. Now come to the fifth section. We will understand what are the common beginner mistakes. We must avoid those mistakes. Most beginners make these mistakes. Number 1, choosing broker only because it's free. It is not the right way to choose the broker. And the most important thing, beginners don't read the brokerage charges. It's very important. We need to understand what are the brokerage charges and how much they are charging. Third thing, sharing OTP or password. That is another huge mistake. And fourth, falling for WhatsApp, Telegram tips. Most of the beginners do this mistake. So remember, Demat account is safe, but your decisions matter. Now in this section, we will understand opening a Demat account is risky or not. So the answer is, opening a Demat account is not risky. Risk comes when you trade without knowledge. You invest in the stock market without knowledge. You follow some random tips provided by some WhatsApp or Telegram groups. You invest emotionally, not by your knowledge. Before doing any investment or trade in the stock market, we should remember these 3 things. So, learning fast before doing anything in the stock market. Now, come to the final summary. We will do a quick revision what we learned today in this video. So opening a Demat account is very easy. The first point is choose a trusted broker. Second, complete online KYC. Third, link your bank account. And the most important thing, before doing anything in the stock market, you learn. That is the most important thing. That's it for today, guys. If this video helped you, like the video and subscribe to Chat Explain. See you soon. Keep learning, keep growing. Bye bye.